If you're hosting a website on Firebase and want to use your own custom domain instead of the default web.app URL, this video will walk you through the exact steps to connect your domain correctly and avoid common DNS mistakes. So first off, of course, make sure to open up your project, and after that we will have this menu on the left side of our screen right now. Then you just click on Build and make sure to drop down all these settings. And here we just need to go to hosting, and if you don't have the domains listed in here, just navigate once again to build and to authentication. Then in here in this screen you go to settings, and then you scroll a bit down, and in here we'll have authorized domains. And now in here, guys, as you can see, we have the local host and the default domains. In here you just press on add domain. Then enter your address, and then press on add. And then after that, for the root domain, you can add the A records pointing to Firebase IP addresses, and for subdomain, you add a CNAME record pointing to GHS, googlehosted.com. And then DNS changes can take from a few minutes to 24 hours, and Firebase will automatically check and confirm when everything is ready. And common mistakes to avoid will be missing or incorrect TXT record, wrong A record IP addresses, using CNAME on root domain, editing DNS on the wrong registrar. And that's it. If you want some follow-up videos on redirecting to non-3Ws or using Cloudflare with Firebase, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, of course, and see you soon.